Okay, the next videos we're going to use rectangular area model to show a mixed fractions multiplied to another mixed fractions. For this one, if you try to do it by repeated addition, it could be really confusing. So we're going to do that with rectangular area model. So let's see, do we know which number represents going down how many units? Okay, the first one, so it's going to be go down 2 1/3, and then we go over 1 1/2, and we normally need to round it to the next whole number when we draw, so it's going down to 3 and go over to 2. Alright, so we're going to start drawing, going down 3 units, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Try to space them out about the same distance each units, and make sure you don't draw it too small, otherwise it's very easy to make a mistake. And then we need to go over 2 units, so 1 and 2, so 1 and 2, and then we connect all these lines, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright, so now they have equal size boxes, and then I need to locate 2 1/3. So the common mistake is they're like, okay, I need 2 1/3, so I'm going to cut this into 3 equal parts. I locate my 2 1/3, that's okay, done. That is not okay, do you know why? Okay, because fraction need to have equal size pieces, right? And now you have some big pieces and some little pieces, so our goal is to make them equal size pieces. So remember, if you divided the units between 2 and 3 into 3 equal parts, you have to do the same between 0 and 1. You have to do the same between 1 and 2. So if I do that, if I cut 3 equal parts for all the units horizontally, now they look like they have equal size pieces, right? And over here, I need to find 1 1/2, so between 1 and 2, I can cut it into 2 equal parts and say this is 1 1/2, right? And now they don't have equal size pieces, so I need to go back to between 0 and 1 and put another cut, so that would be 1/2. So after I do that, all the boxes should be about the same size, right? Remember I say circle down to 2 1/3, go over to 1 1/2. So we got that part, and we're gonna need to shape some boxes. So I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna go down to 2 1/3. And over to 1 1/2. So anytime if you need to pause the videos and write down something or the note, please do that. And even though we're not meeting face to face, make sure you organize your notebook. When we come back, we want to be able to check your notebook. So my answer here is, again, the shaded part compared to the whole, which is 1 by 1, right? So I'm going to use something with color to highlight 1 by 1. Okay, so how many shade apart? 21, okay. How many units make one whole? 6. So it looks like this is an improper fraction, so we're going to need to convert them to mixed fractions. So dividend is 21 divided by 6. 6 times 3 is 18. After you subtract that, you get 3. So 3 is my whole number. Another 3 down here is numerator. And this one is the denominator. So final answer will be 3 out of 6. Okay, I lied. This is not final answer because I can reduce it by 3 both top and bottom. So final answer is 3 1/2. So if you have questions, please email me and let me know.